The most active stocks as things stand right now, that is today, the 21st of January 2025. We have ASST, HSDT, RGTI, Rigetti, EONR, NVDA, QBTS, Tesla, INTC, INM, and Apple. So let's quickly dive in. We have ASST showing a lot of strength, up around 100 and let's see, 188.48%, broke through all of its upper projections here. We have 0.9464 broke through it, 1.18 broke through it, and just right on $1.33. The next resistance is its 200-day moving average. There's a good chance it will surpass that. And we have downward projections here. I think they were in play as of yesterday, 0.2959, printed a 52-week low of 0.3597. We haven't seen any news behind this rally. Let's look at its um, 1 hour chart and see what we have. Yeah, you can see that spike. Can see clearly sticking out of the whole bunch. Even moving higher as well. No upper projections. Let's quickly move down to the 2 hour chart and see. Let's see what we have down here. Okay. Extrapolation is for higher prices. Momentum is also indicating weakness might come in at some point. Okay, let's quickly move on to the 3 hour chart and see. Of course, no upper projections as well. Rather, we have downward projections, down projection all the way down towards 0.6456, even lower as well, 0.5769. Let's look at the 4 hour chart and see. Let's see, 4 hour chart. Let's see as well, nothing more, mostly downward projections. We can equally quickly find out if ASST is optionable as well. Might be a way to play. Might be a way to play, because what is absolutely certain is that it's going to pull back. So it's not optionable. And let's come back. Let's come back to them, to the list as well. And we're just going to move on to HSDT. HSDT up 39.81%. Okay, HSDT. The stock is the line trend is a bullish one for the stock. Okay, this is its 4 hour chart. It printed a high of $1.14 today. No, this was Friday the 17th. Okay, it's not reflecting today's gains for some reason. Okay, yeah, okay, 42.4%, 42% or whatever. Okay, I see what's going on here. Because the market it's not up to 4 hours since the market of the 17th close, so it's not really printing that. Okay, we have 1.21 upper projection. This high of 1.36 was printed in December. Okay, let's see whether we can find any news here. Yeah, fact of the day: Helius Medical Technology share surged 41% for the announcement of the completion and the significant overachievement of patient enrollment in its pivotal trial for stroke. Announced a strong enrollment of its stroke pivotal study exceeding initial target. Yeah, so some positive news out there for HSDT. Let's see. Let's go down to the daily chart and see what we have. Yeah, strongly bullish. Yeah, it's but its 200-day moving average is sloping downwards. So the stock is still trading below a declining 200-day moving average. It's in a in the very short term, it's reversing the bearish. It has reversed the bearish trend. You can see that this low of 0.3739 was printed on the 15th of October. So since that time, it has been showing a lot of strength. Momentum is equally has an uptrend as well to it as well. And come Tuesday, the 4th of February, it's expected to, the momentum is still expected to remain intact. And the moving averages are expected to be showing strength as well. But what is happening today might change everything. With 40% gain might change the whole dynamics. It might cool off slightly, but it could be more. It could have gained even more. But there's a good chance that also it may continue to extend further in the subsequent trading sessions. Because surely we're going to get a retracement. We will definitely get a retracement. So let's quickly have a look and see if it's optionable. Let's open a new tab and see if it's optionable. It's not optionable. So if it were optionable, it would have been a way to play the pullback that might occur, but it's not. Okay, so let's move on to the next stock. The next stock is going to be Rigetti, RGTI. Yeah, you know by now already what's going on with them. Okay, so today, this was a Friday, I believe. Okay, Monday the 13th. So where was Friday? Friday the 17th. Okay, this is somewhere around. For some reason, I'm not really seeing the spike, but in any case, it's up 15.06%. Yeah. Okay, downward projections all the way down towards where its 200-day moving average is, $2.68. Momentum is now projecting higher prices, now forecasting strength, even though the extrapolation for its 10 and 21-day moving averages is for weakness. But we have upper projections. 20.53. This is even higher than its 52 if it's all-time high. We have 26.1. We have 34.23. We have 38.80. Yeah, these are projections. They may not turn out. They may not pan out. Let's have a look at it for the 5-minute chart and see what we have. Okay, strength is expected to remain intact, but not that it's going to be of much use to you. Investors heavily search Rigetti Computing Inc. Here is what you need to know. Let's see. You already know as well. Has been one of the most searched for stocks and ZACs lately. So you might want to look at some of the facts that could shape the stock's performance in the near term. Over the past month, shares of this company have returned a negative 10.3% compared to S&P 500 1.2% change. Okay, obviously we all know why, but it could be worse than that. It could have been worse than 10%, negative 10%. Okay. Better quantum computing stock, Alphabet at 2.4 trillion or Rigetti at 2.8 billion. I don't think people know this very well. They're not really comparing. They know Alphabet, surely. It's a burgeoning field that's quantum computing with the potential to create trillions of dollars. The rising acceptance of quantum computers in finance, life sciences, and chemical sectors is expected to help the quantum computing market reach $5.3 billion by 2029 from $1.3 billion in 2024, say, at a CAGR of 32.7%, according to markets and markets. Quantum computers' inherent capability to operate faster than traditional ones have renewed interest among market participants. Qubits can show values between 0 and 1, while traditional bits represent only zeros and ones. However, it may take years to commercialize quantum computers due to their error-prone nature, leading investors to compare Alphabet and Rigetti. Okay. Well, do we need to have a look at that comparison? Okay, Alphabet has made substantial progress in quantum computing since founding Google Computing AI in 2012. Notably, Alphabet's quantum chip Willow has gained popularity because of its error reducing capability and potential for advancing large-scale quantum computers. Willow has successfully addressed errors faster than supercomputers, making it more beneficial. It has become one of Alphabet's best products like YouTube, Google Search, and Google Cloud. Rigetti, meanwhile, has introduced a quantum computing cloud services platform which offers significant cost savings to clients compared to traditional computer hardware. Rigetti has witnessed a rise in orders for its Novera quantum processor with 9 qubits, while the company is scaling up its business by introducing a powerful 336 qubit system in the future. Rigetti's new chip fabrication is also expected to reduce noise issues and boost revenue growth in the current and next year. So the future holds good for both Rigetti and Alphabet in the quantum computing space. So I don't really think you should ignore Rigetti. I don't really think so. So let's come down. Let's come down to the 1 hour chart and see what we have. Yeah. Okay. Downward projections. We have $8.2. Let's see. Let's come all the way down to the 4 hour chart and see. Okay, so it's the 40 period moving. Okay, it is a 40 period moving average is providing the resistance for the stock. So right now we have an upper projection of 14.25 and 15.81 for Rigetti. So today is an up day for Rigetti. I would suggest on a down day, you give it a try. Give it a try. So let's move on to is Rigetti. Is it optionable? Let's even have a look. May not be optionable. Um, it is optionable. Yes, it is optionable. So you can get involved and see what you can make of what you can how you can use the options to play around. Let's see. This is February, January 24th. This will expire this Friday. So it has short term plays, short term options. So it's well endowed. It's a well endowed equity. It has options as well. So let's see. This is February 7th. You know, yeah. So we don't have the volumes on here. Okay, let's see what we have. We have 1,200 volume on its $12 strike for the January 31 series, indicating that some activity, some market participants are expecting it to probably reach those sort of levels. But at the same time, as well, the $11 puts is also has a decent volume of 902, expecting that indicating that maybe they are also looking that at some point a retracement might occur. Retracement might occur as well. Okay, look here as well. The $10 strike as well also has a decent amount of volume as well. The $10 strike, the $10 put strike has 1,086. So it's going to cost you roughly um, yeah, $80 to just get involved in that. Okay, so yeah, Riget is also optionable as well. So up 21%. Let's look at EONR. Let's look at EONR. EONR. Okay, showing a lot of strength. Let's see what we have. Upper projections on this 4 hour chart, we have 1.77, 1.91. EONR Resources stock soared 50% in this pre-market session. We don't exactly know what is behind that spike. Okay, momentum is extrapolating for strength up till Thursday, the 23rd of January. Let's quickly have a look at its 1 hour chart. Yeah, it's showing strength within a longer term bearish trend. Its next visible resistance will be its 50-day, 200-day moving average at $1.74. Okay, let's move on to NVDA. NVDA is up slightly, 0.41%. Okay, so we have $148.61 upper projection. Let's see, 15589, 16115. These are upper projections for NVIDIA. Let's see what the news is. Fact of the day: NVIDIA Corporation. NVIDIA criticized new restrictions from the U.S. Commerce from the U.S. Commerce Department on AI chip and technology exports, which are perceived as detrimental to the industry. Trump orders favors these stocks. Let's see. Let's see what we have. Trump wasted little time getting to work on his return to the White House, signing a deluge of executive orders. Investors had plenty of policy decisions to digest when markets opened. The orders covered a range of areas, including immigration, energy, artificial intelligence, and electric vehicles. The president declared a national emergency to accelerate permitting oil and gas projects withdrew the U.S. from the Paris Climate Agreement. Let's see what we have. Nvidia here. All AI stocks were also on the move after Trump revoked an order signed by the former by Joe Biden in 2023. That's October of 2023, aimed at limiting AI's risks to consumers and national security. It perhaps suggests other curbs by the Biden administration, particularly on chip exports, may be reversed. Semiconductor companies Intel, NVIDIA, and Advance and AMD all made gains along with AI exposed names such as Palantir and C3 AI. So yeah, okay, that's really cool. Yeah. So yeah, indeed, the projections could pan out. These projections could pan out 161.15. We might even see high projections on the weekly chart. 161 was the highest there. Let's see. We have 226, on the weekly charts. We have below 21319. Below is 18949. Yeah, so, but there are also downward projections, which I really don't think you should be worried about. Okay, so let's move on to the next stock. That will be QBTS, QBTS, quantum stock as well, just like Nvidia. Momentum is picking up as well. We have 10.51 upper projection. We have 13.29. We have 14.94 upper projections. So let's look at Lucid. Lucid is down 7.98%. Let's see. LCID. Okay, so yeah, it's in the underlying trend. The stock is a bearish one. Okay, but it has upper projections of $3.6. We have 3.88. We have 4.07. Let's see what the facts are. Fact of the day: Lucid group shares fell in early trading after President Trump canceled the mandate requiring car makers to sell to sell electric batteries to avoid hefty emission fines. Okay, Trump orders favors these stocks. What to watch today? I bet General Motors will be there. Let's see. Shares in U.S. oil and gas and companies were mostly up. Okay, let's see. General Motors stock edged higher while Ford was up 0.9%. Tesla felt okay. Yeah. Okay, Trump also ordered a 75-day delay to the proposed TikTok ban to allow the administration to determine the appropriate course of action. Shares of Oracle, a key service provider for this social media, rose at 2%. Okay, yeah, so not, and it did also Tesla equally, let's see. Tesla is equally down slightly as well. Yeah, down slightly. We have a downward projection of 39,518, 36236, 34764. Yeah, definitely the same thing that is behind LCD, that is behind Tesla's weakness as well. So Intel, we can see Intel here. Intel is up 2.23%. Let's see INTC. Okay, Intel is showing some strength within a longer term bearish trend. Let's see. It seems, fact of the day, Intel Corp City lowered its price target from $22 to $21, anticipating Q1 revenue to miss estimates due to weak demand. Analysts rate Intel as hold an average target of 24.19. Okay. We have INM, okay, InMed. Okay, showing some strength within a longer term bearish trend. InMed Pharmaceutical says Alzheimer's disease trial shows a significant reduction in neuroinflammation. Okay. Okay, let's we have a down projection of $3.43 and all the way down to $2.53. Okay, let's look at Apple. Apple is down 3.45% now. Okay, no upper projections visible, but it's giving up a lot of its strength. So it could be cool. It's a stock to watch. It could be a buy anytime soon. You can see the highs of $259 was printed on Thursday, the 26th of December, and we are looking at now 221 roughly. So since that time, it has lost $35, more than 10%. It's lost around maybe close to 15% or thereabout. So it could be a stock to watch. It could be a stock to watch if you have if you want to get into the stock. I think it's printing the sort of levels that makes it sensible to makes it comfortable to get involved in it. Yeah, so see what you make of all of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.